We are going to do some super fun yoga poses with your baby. So come along with your partner. So for the ones who have two babies at home, mama and baby, and maybe we can even pull in daddy today. So daddy can do it with one baby, or you can, both the siblings can become partners and mama can have a break today. Alright, so choose your partner on your mat. We are going to start the class as usual in our crisscross applesauce with a loud namaste. Okay, so for today we're going to make a namaste with our partner. So I'm going to take my one palm, Ikra has opened up her palm. We're going to join our palms together. Okay, I want you to keep your back straight, the other hand on the other knee. Right, at the count of 3 we all say namaste together. Okay, so make sure your palms are joining in nice and flat. At the count of 3, 1, 2 and 3. Namaste. Alright, so for the ones joining us for the first time today, a quick introduction about ourselves. My name is Sabrina and this is my daughter Ikra. We are from Lil Yogis and today is a very, very special day for all the mamas out there. Yes, it is Mother's Day. So wishing all you mothers a very, very happy Mother's Day. So what better way to celebrate this day than getting healthy together? I'm sure that's one wish every mama has, is to have a healthy baby, right? So this day, for today, next 30 minutes, let's be together and let's get healthy together. So we're going to start class with a lovely breath. Now this is what we call as the star finger breath, okay? So what we're going to do is open up your palms and get your fingers together. So it's like the twinkle, twinkle little star that we normally do, right? Can we all do this? Right. But now, since like I said, today everything is going to happen with mama and baby. So in this breath today, we're going to turn and face each other. Okay? Make sure your back is straight, baby especially. Mamas, make sure your back is straight. Now we open our palms, get your fingers together, and now we're going to touch our fingertips, just like us. Okay, so make sure your fingertips are touching. Alright, what are we going to do next? As we breathe in, we're going to imagine these are 2 balloons that we have in our hands, okay? Now, mama and baby have to synchronize their breath. When I say synchronize, we're going to breathe in and breathe out together, alright? We're going to do everything together today. So before we start class, let's get our fingers there before we start the breath, okay? Now taking a deep breath in, when you breathe in, you're going to open up your fingers, breathe out. If babies find it too difficult to hold their breath, as long as mama, it's okay. Babies can take a break. Mamas, make sure we're going in with the count, okay? So let's try this together. Fingertips touching, looking at each other with a big smile on your face. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out. One more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's do it slowly, okay? Very slowly. Try. 2 last times, okay? Breathe in, breathe out. And for the last time, with that smile on your face, breathe in and breathe out. Alright, now that we have started with the breath, it's time to get into some action with some super fun partner poses, okay? So for the first partner pose, in fact, before we start the partner pose, let me just quickly tell you one rule to class, okay? And the only rule to class is you are going to listen to your body, okay? Especially everybody joining me on Toying for the first time. Please make sure you do not overdo it. Do not stretch it too much. Listen to your body, all the mamas especially. Your body talks to you. Your body will tell you when to stop. Please stop. And all the babies doing it with mama, make sure when mama tells you to stop, you stop. You don't want to trouble mama today, do you? It's Mother's Day, so we are not going to trouble mama. We are going to listen to mama. So when mama is telling you to stop, maybe mama cannot push or bend that much or pull that much, so you are going to stop, alright? So without much talking, let's get into my first pose, in which, again, we are going to sit facing each other, opening up your legs nice and wide. Okay, so now babies might not be able to touch your feet if they're shorter. Wherever their feet reach, it's fine. Mamas, try and go as bright as you can, holding our hands. Holding your hands, it's okay. Wherever you reach. I try not bending your knees, try keeping them legs straight. And try not slouching. This is not what we're going to sit up straight. Ikra, can we sit up straight? Amazing. Okay. Now from here, this is what we're going to do. This is what we call as the seesaw, in which one partner pulls down the other partner. Okay. So to begin with, maybe Ikra is going to pull me down. So all you babies, slowly, very slowly, don't pull mama too much. When mama says stop, you're going to stop. So holding it, Ikra is pulling me down. She's going to pull, 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 pull. Everybody, let's do this. Let's go down. All the mamas. Wherever you reach, it's okay. You don't need to go all the way down if you can't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now that the babies had their turn, it's turn for mamas to pull down babies, okay? So this time I am going to pull down Ikra. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hold it. 1. Wherever they want to stop, stop. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now that we finished the seesaw, let's get one leg folded, okay? So again, wherever you are, keeping those legs open. This time, let's fold one leg. So this is the leg we're going to fold. And the other leg, our feet are going to touch. So make sure your feet are touching. Make sure your feet are touching on the other side. Alright. Now, the leg that is open, the leg that is stretched out, you're going to raise the same hand on top. The other hand doesn't stay down. You're going to try and keep your back straight. The other hand on your knee, keeping the back straight. Let's try and touch our toes. Let's try and touch your toes. Let's hold your toes. Now the hand that was on your knee, let's take it up and let's bend. While we bend, we can hold hands and stretch. 1, 2, 3, go down, it's a side bend. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, now what we do on one side, we always do it on the other. So we're going to fold the other leg and stretch out the leg that was folded earlier. Okay? Ikra, move a little behind. Little more. Okay. Making sure our feet are touching. Your toes are going to be towards your body. Holding your toes with the same hand. Taking the other hand on top and bending to your sides, holding hands. 1, 2, smile. 3, 4, it hurts a little, it's okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Amazing. Did you feel that stretch nice and open? Opening up the sides there. Okay, now, let's get our feet together. Ikra, move behind. And this time, we are going to stretch out our legs. More behind, Ikra. Yes. We are going to stretch out our legs. Right, straight. Ikra, you're crooked. I want you to come this side. Make sure your feet are touching. Okay? From here, raising your hands up. You're going to fold forward and try and hold hands. Ikra, let's try and hold hands. Okay? From here, take your head to your knee, wherever you can reach, as low as you can go. Okay? So let's hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright. With all the sitting stretches, it's time to now stand up and do some standing stretches. But instead of standing up directly, maybe we want to first do a Pasana gate pose is what we call it. Now in this pose, I want you kneeling down on your knees. Okay, just like this. I want the baby to move a little behind. Alright, now, wait, not that behind, right? Okay. From here, we're going to open up our legs, stretch out one leg. So, Ikra, you stretch out the other leg. The inner legs are going to be stretched out. Alright. We are going to keep the same hand on the same leg. So, Ikra is going to keep her hand on her leg. I'm going to keep my hand on my leg. Maybe we want to increase the distance a little. And while we bend towards each other, we're going to hold hands and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Coming back, it's time to change sides, okay? So Ikra is going to come onto this side and I am going to move on to the other side now. So everybody, on your knees. Ikra, move a little bit that side. Okay. From here, the inner legs, okay? So the legs which are closer to each other, you're going to open one leg and so is baby going to open her leg, okay? Keeping my hand on my leg, Ikra is going to keep her hand on her leg. And with the other arm, we're going to stretch sideways, bend, hold each other and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and coming back to 10. Alright, now from here, let's stand up and let's get into some standing partner poses, okay? Now for the standing partner poses, we are going to try and make sure we have each other's grip really nice and tight, okay? We have to make sure we are holding our hands really tight. So coming to the first pose is when we are going to stand close, okay? Stand close and from here, listen very carefully, watch first, okay? Babies out there, wait, listen to us, watch us and then you do it with mama. Okay, in this pose, we are both going to try and lean backwards. But, Ikra, 1 minute, wait. But, how do we do this, okay? So for the mamas out there, watch. First, I'm going to let Ikra lean back. So Ikra is going to lean back, okay? Now when I feel that I'm pulling her enough, once I get the grip there and the balance there, I am also going to lean backwards, pulling each other and we're going to bend backwards. Alright? But like I said, make sure you're holding each other really tight, no letting go of that grip. Mama will never let go of that grip. So we're going to hold each other tight and fall back when we get that balance right, okay? Babies, no musty in this one. Listen to mama when she tells you to stop, okay? That goes for Ikra as well. Alright, so standing with our feet not very close, but a little distance, okay? From here, once you're here, holding hands nice and tight. So mama's going to hold hands. Okay, I want the babies to start falling back. Ikra, look behind. Once baby is in that position, mamas, baby pulls mama, at the same time mama's pulling baby and maintaining the balance of the pull, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is an amazing way of building that trust in each other. There's no better bond than a mother and child bond. So doing the same thing this time, we're taking it to the next level, wherein we are not going to hold 2 hands, we're going to hold 1 hand. We're going to shake it together, okay? So watch what we're going to do. Again, standing with the feet together, little as close as we are in the last one. Let's shake hands, okay? Now this time, you're going to open up the other hand, okay? And first Ikra is going to lean backwards. Ikra, lean. Look that side, Ikra. And when Ikra leans that side, I am going to lean the opposite side and hold it there, okay? So the same thing, but this time with one hand and the other hand stretched out. So we're going to feel a nice stretch on our waist, okay? So let's do this together. Yes, sideways. So first let's shake hands. So you're going to begin the pose by shaking hands, okay? So shaking hands. Once you have your grip there, once you have the grip nice and strong, let's get strong, okay? So baby is also going to hold mama's hand really tight and baby starts leaning back, keeping the hand up sideways. I too am going to lean and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, stretch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Coming back to center, there's a rule to yoga which says what you do on one side, you always do it on the other side, okay? So now that we finished with one side, this time we're going to change hands. So this time we are going to shake our left hands, use our left hands Ikra, look at me, feet together. Okay, from here, Ikra is going to open up her right hand, looking behind. Once she leans behind, I am also going to use that weight and lean backwards. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. After that lovely leaning back stretches, it's time to get into the famous tree pose, okay? So the partner tree pose is when again, we are going to stand very close to each other. If you wait, first come close to me. Close to me. I want your inside legs touching, okay? Now, the leg that is outside, you are going to slowly raise that leg up. Okay, 1 second. I'm going to let Ikra do it first. Ikra, do it. Let baby do it first because they have this tendency of pulling you. So once baby is comfortable, you're going to raise your leg up. Okay. Get your palms together. Ikra, let's get our palms together. And hold it there. Try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, babies are going to wobble. Mamas, you're going to wobble with baby. Ikra is purposely doing it, trying to make me fall. But that's okay. We're going to come back together. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright. Turning to the other side. So baby comes on the other side. Again, now our left legs are touching. We are going to raise our right leg up. Taking your right leg up. Getting your palms together. Holding it there. 1, 2. If you're comfortable, you can even stretch out your hands. Or maybe, Ikra, can you... Let's do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Amazing. It's all about having fun together. So wherever you find that comfort with each other, stick in there. Let's do it together. Let's have fun together and let's grow healthy together. Okay? So coming back. From here, it's time to get into the partner warrior, okay? So warriors are very strong. So all the mamas out there, for the brave, every mother is very brave. You get very strong after getting a baby out there. Coming onto your mats, what are we going to do? Standing close to each other. I want your toes touching. Now, both of us are going to take our right leg behind. So I'm going to take a big step behind. Ikra, move to that so they can't see me. More behind a little, more behind. Okay. Now we have the same frame. Okay. From here, Ikra, I want your feet close to mine. Your front leg. Front leg foot close to mine. No, close. Next to mine. Closer. Yes. So look at our feet. Our feet are touching. The inner soles are touching. From here, we're going to bend the front knee. Bring your palms together. From there. Holding there. Hold. Okay. Make sure you're bending right, looking at each other with a big smile on the face and lots of love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, we're going to jump and change sides. Yes, so let's jump, bringing your feet together again. Front leg bend, so bend the front leg. Try not hitting your knee onto each other. Take your knee onto the other side. Yes. And not falling in front. Ikra, bend. Look at me. Bend. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend it. 5. Correct. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Coming back to center. After these standing poses, it's time to get into our seated poses. But again, like I said, it's not like we're not going to sit down directly. Let's take this one thing at a time. Okay, so what we're going to do is what we call as the partner seated chair pose. Okay, so all the babies and the mamas, imagine you have a chair behind you. Okay, and what you're going to do, since we have a chair behind you, you are going to sit down on the chair. Okay, now remember, there's a chair behind you. So, Ikra, stand up please. I do not want you going down this way. This is wrong. Okay? You're going to push your bottoms behind and imagine you're sitting on a chair. Alright, so you are going to push your bottoms behind, sit down on a chair, 1 minute, Ikra. Sit down on a chair and not go down like this. Okay? So let's do this. Ikra, that's wrong. I'm trying to say that's wrong. Come. Okay, from here, let's imagine we have a chair behind. So get a little closer, Ikra, wait. Let's get a little closer. Not so close, little. Yeah, that's fine. From there, let's sit back. Sit. Ikra, your knees. Yes, hold it, hold it. Look at each other and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it hurts. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ikra got up even more earlier. And she seems a little tired, but that's okay. If you're feeling tired, like I said, it's time to come back into our seated poses. So this time we're going to sit down, okay? And this time we are going to go cycling together. Okay, this is one of Ikra's favorite pose and most kids love it because it involves a lot of action together. So what are we going to do? Hands behind, toes together, feet together. You're going to raise them up. And you're going to pedal together, okay? This is what we're going to do. So all the mamas and babies, get into position, okay? And babies, we'll do this 2 times, okay? First time, let's do it slow. Let's take mama's day today, right? So we're going to do a little slow with mama. Once mama is ready and she gets the knack of pedaling, we are going to do this super fast then, okay? So from here, legs up. I don't want you sleeping, no sleeping. Ikra, no sleeping. I want you to sit up. Back nice and straight. Ikra, get your hands closer. Look at our hands. Yes, get them closer so your back is straight. Correct. Legs up. And let's start pedaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at me. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, the next round is when we go super fast. So all mamas and babies, brace yourselves for a super fast cycling round. Again, getting your feet up. Come here. Okay, on your marks, get set and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, after cycling, it's time to go sailing, okay? So we are going to do the partner boat pose, which is a little tricky, but we will try. Many times, even we fall off, but it's always fun to do it together, right? So coming into the partner pose, coming a little closer, Ikra, come a little more closer. Right, holding hands, look at us. I want you to first watch, only then we'll be able to do it together. Lifting one leg at a time, okay? This is what we're going to do. Try and hold it there. Hold. 1, 2. Okay? So let's do this together. Sorry, I didn't give it a chance to get into it. Okay, so again, knees together. Ikra, knees together. Ikra, knees together. Correct. So your knees are inside your arms, okay? Both of you. From your one leg up. And let's take the other leg up. I told you, this gets a little tricky. Come on. Okay, holding it there. Hold it. 1, Ikra. Let's focus. 2, knees inside. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, after going sailing and cycling, it's time to get into a partner pretzel pose, okay? This looks it might seem a little complicated, but it's super easy. What are we going to do? Watch. Again, mamas and babies, please watch. Please watch. I want mama and baby to raise their right hand up. So I'm going to raise my right, that's your right hand. Okay, so it's going to be the opposite hand. Okay, the right hand that is up, can you see your hands shaking out there? You're going to take that hand and keep it behind your back. Behind your back. Sit straight. Yes, sit straight. Now wait, Ikra, wait. Behind your back, like me. No, you're going to fold it. Correct. Okay, like this. I want your hands at the back like this. Okay. Now from your, because I'm using my right hand, and Ikra is also using her right hand, we are going to twist to the right behind. And as we twist, Ikra is going to use her other hand to shake hands with my hand that's behind, and I'm going to use the other hand to shake hands with her, and this is how we're going to do this. No movements, no movements. We're going to hold this here. You're going to look behind, Ikra. You're going to look behind, okay? So let's do this together again. Let's do this together. Right hand up. The other hand on the knee. Right hand up. Right hand up. From there, let's bend that hand behind. After you bend it, you're going to turn towards your right, over your right shoulder. While Ikra uses her left hand to shake my right hand, and I use my left hand to shake her right hand and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Coming back to center. Now that we've used the right hand to go behind, it's time to use the left hand now. So left hand up. Take it behind. Look at that, okay? Now that we've taken our left hand behind, we're going to twist to the left. Now as we twist, you're going to use the other hand to shake my hand, and I'm going to use my right hand to shake Ikra's left hand. So holding it there, looking behind. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're looking behind. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Now it's time to do a super fun pose in which babies love this pose because they are allowed to climb onto mama. Okay. Now this is what we call as the lizard on the rock pose. So mamas are going to be the rock as usual, and babies turn into lizards who nicely lean onto mama. So what we're going to do is we're going to sit. First get onto your knees, sitting on your feet, and I want baby. So Ikra is going to sit right onto me, behind in the same way. Our backs are going to touch. Ikra, I want you sitting in Vajrasana to begin with, please. Just like me. Correct. Okay. Now when your backs are touching, don't lean back, Ikra. It's okay. I am going to take my hands up. First watch, okay? I'm going to take mamas are going to take their hands up, and mama is going to go down on the ground while baby is going to come on to mama. Ikra, you may stretch out your legs, it's okay. And come higher, amazing, and hold it there. Hold it there. Okay, mamas will feel amazing on your back there. But if you have a back pain, babies, listen to mama, don't climb onto mama too much, okay? So let's try and do this together. Ikra, get off me a minute, please. Okay, so like I said, sitting like me, taking your hands up. From there, moving forward. Ikra, wait, moving forward. Mama is getting your forehead to the ground, and baby can now come onto mama like a lizard. So enjoy the stretch. Take your time and stay there. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly baby gets off mama. Very slowly. Take your time. And mama is very slowly walking your hands behind. You can sit up as well. Okay. We are going to do the same thing onto the babies. But we mamas are going to be very careful because we don't want to put entire weight onto baby. So Ikra, getting into the Vajrasana, or you can sit crisscross. If you're comfortable, crisscross or Vajrasana. I want bottoms down. Correct. Now when Ikra is into her rock, I am going to make sure my hands are down so that I don't put too much of my weight on her, and I am also going to lean back on her. Okay? So mamas, make sure you use support of your palms on the ground, giving them full support because you don't want to put your full weight onto baby, and holding it there. 1, 2, 3, no moving. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Coming up. So that was what we call as the lizard on the rock pose. Before we end class, last 2 stretches that we're going to do is when we're going to sit crisscross. Ikra is also going to sit crisscross, again backs touching. Okay, Ikra is pushing too much of weight of hers on me, and this is most babies are going to do. So I want babies to not fall on mama and lean on mama. Ikra, can we be strong enough and have your own back support there? Super. So that's a way our backs are supposed to be. Try and have your backs nice and straight. Nice and straight. Okay, hands up. Now the same thing that we did just before this, in the same way, this time I am going to pull Ikra down and Ikra is going to sleep on me. I'm going to try and go as low as I can. Okay? As low as I can, holding it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now as I come up, it's time for the babies to go down. And 1 second, like I said, when mamas come on babies, no Ikra, my hands are going to be on the sides, making sure I do not put too much weight on her. Okay? So holding it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Alright. As promised, it's time to now cool down our bodies after all that workout that we've done together. How are we going to cool down our bodies? Again, a little different today. Like I said, today is special. So today everything is going to happen with mama and baby. So everybody, hold on. I'm going to play a song. Okay. This is the song which I'm going to play for all the mamas and babies out there. But how are we going to relax today? Today, mamas are going to lie down on the mats in Shavasana. We all know what Shavasana is. Most of us do. If you don't, it's a very simple, easy pose in which we just lie down on our mats, opening up your bodies, all loose, relaxing and calming down the entire body. And babies are going to put their head onto mama's tummy. Okay, so all babies are going to put their head onto mama's tummy while mama relaxes, baby also relaxes. And mamas out there, what you are going to do is try, as you breathe in, you're going to try and take your stomach up. And as you breathe out, you're going to try and pull your stomach in. Now with baby's head out there, babies are going to enjoy this. Mama's stomach is going to come up and down. Up and down. Alright. So try doing this. It's going to be super fun. We play a lovely song for you all as well. Listen to the song, enjoy the song, and then we again get up and we meet and then we end class. Okay. So coming back. So Ikra on the mat please. Watch what we're going to do. I'm going to play that song. Just put the mat.
तब है पता है ना
Alright, so look at us, okay? I'm going to lie down. Ikra's head on my stomach. Opening my hands. Baby also relaxes. Using her stomachs to breathe. So when you breathe in, stomach comes up. In and out. Take your time, relax, enjoy this moment.
इतना दूर मुझको तो याद भी तुझको आना पाऊँ माँ क्या इतना बुरा हूँ मैं माँ क्या इतना बुरा
अरे अभी तक कैसे बैठी हो कपड़े नहीं बदले चलो जाके कपड़े बदलो कम ऑन
Turning to your sides, holding it there, holding it there, holding it there with support of your palms. Ikra already got off me. Yes, baby, slowly get off mama. Getting your palms down on mamas with support of your palms. Slowly sitting up together. Sitting up together. We end class with the same magic word with which we began class. So we get our palms together with a big smile on your face. Okay, Ikra wants to do the same joint namaste, maybe, okay. It's Mother's Day, so let's do it together. Alright, keeping your eyes closed. At the count of 3, we all say namaste together, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed today's class. It was a pleasure doing class with you guys. Wishing every mama out there very happy Mama's Day, Mother's Day. Hope you enjoy the day. You've definitely started the day on a very healthy note, and may this day be as special as it can be. So thank you for joining in. Thank you Toying, and thank you Kotak Mahindra for giving us this opportunity. I will see you guys soon. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you. 1 minute, Ikra, 1 minute. 1 minute, move.